Hey, English learners! Welcome back to Learn English with Chan and Cherry, the perfect place to get comfortable with your English. I'm Cherry.
Hello, Cherry, and hello, everyone. I'm Chan. How are you today, Cherry?
I'm doing great, Chan. Actually, I'm in a really good mood today because of something small that happened this morning.
Ooh, what happened? Tell me.
So, a stranger held the elevator door for me, and I just said thank you and smiled. But then I thought, do we even know how many ways there are to say that?
Wait, there's more than one way? I just say thank you for everything.
That's exactly why today's episode is going to change how you sound in English forever. We're covering 13 ways to use thank you.
13. Cherry, I only know like two.
By the end of this episode, you'll have 13 tools in your pocket. And trust me, this is one of those topics that instantly makes you sound more natural, more warm, and more confident.
Okay, I'm ready. But real quick, everyone listening, please hit that subscribe button, like this episode, and turn on notifications. It really helps us keep making these episodes for you.
Yes, and share it with a friend who's learning English too. Okay, Chan, let's dive in.
Let's go. Start with number one, the classic one.
Number one is just thank you. Simple, polite, works everywhere. You say it to your teacher, your boss, a stranger, anyone.
Okay, that one I know. What's number two?
Number two is thanks, just the short version. You use this with friends, family, casual situations. Like if your friend passes you the salt at dinner, you just say thanks.
Oh, so thank you is more formal and thanks is more relaxed.
Exactly. You're already getting it. Now here's where things get interesting. Number three, thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. Isn't that the same as thanks?
Actually, this is where I have a funny story. Thanks a lot can be genuine or sarcastic, depending on your tone.
Wait, what do you mean sarcastic?
Okay, so imagine your friend eats the last slice of pizza right in front of you.
No.
And you say, oh, thanks a lot, but your face looks annoyed, not happy.
Oh my gosh, I get it. Same words, but tone changes everything.
Exactly. Tone is everything in English. Say it warmly, it means real thanks. Say it flatly, it means you're a little upset.
That's so interesting. Okay, what's number four?
Number four is thanks so much, or thank you so much. This one adds extra warmth. It's stronger than just thanks.
So if someone helps me move my furniture, I should say thank you so much?
Yes, perfect example. Basic thanks feels a little small for something that big.
Got it. What's next?
Number five, I really appreciate it. This one is a bit deeper. It's not just polite, it shows you truly value what someone did.
You mean like when someone stays late to help you with work?
Exactly like that. I really appreciate it. Tells them your effort meant something to me.
Okay, I love that one. What about number six?
Number six, I appreciate you. Now, this is different because you're thanking the person, not just the action.
Wait, what's the difference?
Okay, let me explain with a story. I had a mentor once who always supported me, even when I made mistakes.
Aw, that's sweet.
One day I told her I appreciate you, not just for one thing she did, but for who she is in my life.
Oh, wow, that's actually kind of emotional.
Right? This phrase is powerful. Use it with people who matter deeply to you.
Okay, I'm definitely using that one with my sister. What's number seven?
Number seven, thanks a million. This is a fun, exaggerated way to say thank you.
You mean like really, really thankful?
Yes, it's playful and big. Like imagine your friend helps you finish an assignment 5 minutes before the deadline.
Oh, that's stressful.
Super stressful. And in that moment, you'd probably shout, thanks a million, because just thanks doesn't feel big enough.
Okay, that makes sense. This is so much more fun than I expected.
Wait, here's the interesting part, Chan. Number eight is a phrase that confuses a lot of English learners.
Uh-oh, what is it?
You shouldn't have.
Wait, that doesn't sound like a thank you at all.
I know, right? But it actually is a way of saying thank you.
Wait, what? How?
Okay, imagine your friend surprises you with a birthday gift you weren't expecting.
Okay.
You open it and you say, oh my gosh, you shouldn't have.
So it means, I'm so happy you did this even though I didn't expect it?
Exactly. It shows surprise and gratitude together. It's a very natural native expression.
Wow, I never would have guessed that one. English is so tricky sometimes.
I know, but that's what makes it fun to learn with real examples instead of just textbook rules.
Totally agree. Okay, what's number 9?
Number 9, thanks for having me. This is what you say when you're a guest somewhere.
You mean like at a party?
Yes, or a dinner, or even like a podcast interview. If someone invites you into their space, you say this when leaving.
Oh, so if I visit your house for dinner, when I leave, I should say, thanks for having me.
Perfect example, Chan. You're learning fast today.
I'm trying my best. Okay, what about number 10?
Number 10, thank you for your time. This one is more professional. You use it in interviews, meetings, emails.
Oh, I actually need this one. I have a job interview soon.
Perfect timing then. At the end of an interview, you say thank you for your time, even if you're not sure you got the job.
That's such a good tip. Okay, this is where things change a little, right? You mentioned there's a British one.
Yes. Number 11, cheers. In British English, people don't just use this for drinking.
Wait, really? I thought cheers was only for like clinking glasses.
That's what most learners think. But in the UK and Australia, people say cheers to mean thank you all the time.
You mean like if someone holds the door for you?
Exactly. Someone holds the door, you just say, cheers, mate. Very casual, very friendly.
That's so cool. I'm definitely trying that one. What's number 12?
Number 12, much appreciated. Short, professional, and clean. You'll see this a lot in emails and messages.
Oh, like if a coworker sends me a file I needed.
Yes, you just reply, much appreciated, and it sounds polished and confident.
I like that one. It's quick and easy to remember. Okay, last one. Number 13?
Number 13, and honestly, one of my favorites. I owe you one.
Wait, that doesn't sound like thank you either.
I know, it sounds like debt, right? But actually, it means you helped me and now I want to help you back someday.
Oh, so it's like a promise mixed with thank you.
Exactly. Imagine your friend covers your shift at work last minute,
That would be a huge favor.
right? So you'd say, thanks, I owe you one, meaning next time you need help, I'm there for you.
That's such a warm way to say thank you. Okay, wait, can we imagine a scenario like using a bunch of these together?
I love that idea. Okay, everyone listening, imagine this. You're at a friend's house. They cooked dinner for you, gave you a small gift, and even offered to drive you home,
Oh, that's a lot of kindness in one day.
right? So when you leave, you might say, thanks for having me. I really appreciate it. And honestly, you shouldn't have gotten me a gift. I owe you one.
Wow, 4 phrases in one goodbye. That actually sounds so natural.
That's the goal, Chan. Real English isn't robotic. It's warm, it's expressive, and it changes based on the situation.
This episode honestly changed how I think about saying thank you. I always thought it was just one boring word.
It used to feel that way to me too, until I realized gratitude has personality. It can be playful, formal, emotional, or casual.
I'm definitely going to try cheers and I owe you one this week.
You'll sound so natural using those. And listeners, that's the real secret. Don't just memorize words, use them in real situations like we just did.
So true. Okay, before we go, let's ask our listeners something.
Yes, so tell us in the comments which one of these 13 ways to say thank you did you never know before today?
And which one are you going to try using this week? We really want to know.
Drop your answer below. We read every single comment.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
And remember, every thank you is a small gift you give to someone else. Use it often, use it warmly.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now, English learners.